Doma in Grohene, Yawa Picojet, so do be a tumwa, ye, one for Yansa, Odim Yansa, Quasia, actually Quasia pardon, Opa Quasia, was a yes to Christo by Yasa, or Sayadu, or Saquatafo, Sandy Frafo, or Sabodamfo, or Sabia, Jimmy, dear, when I was home. Now what Jimmy say? I say, Jimmy need be the side of my honey. Ah, ya call mammy, over the idea if you do not, who to Missassi, another man, or Chinimutai, on Timmy may yes, or 2 4 say to 2 or toss, and you're possible. Go news to an answer, yes, yes, Santa Mindia. Me, I'm a 2 baby, a free in Yamasam, set free, so set free, me a honey Yamasam, Brofocasem, yes, the paramount symbol.
Okay.
Of the soul of the Santis. Ekita spiritual essence. The link between the living, the ancestors, and the living. It represents the work of the Santis. Bema when you say the name as a gay. Where Bema? What's up? Ojanu osa, odige pe. Emi aso wasa dini. Aso wama. So afadema na fi o mbe jimi ache papa. Hey, who ni nsam na okeka na say, hey, ohini time o tu fo say tutu papa.
Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Bambro. Subscribe, share, me to man. I want sa enya akabi. I don't mind onyaye. Yes, yenyaye. Miss onyaye, miss me nyaye. Don't be miss me. Because I'm not talking about the personality. I'm talking about the wisdom that he's pouring out. The wisdom that is nothing there. And now I in my team. One munim no one of can run in the same. What can be a guso? Now some no can move a mood.
Nanadoma hene otwene mutai on timi meyese otumfuo se tutu otoso enye possible go news to an answer yes sikadwa no ya santeman dia no me ametu ba bia free ne nyamasem se free soro se free he me eho ne nyamasem brofocasem yese the paramount symbol,
okay,
of the soul of the Santis. Ekita spiritual essence. Spiritual essence, let's say the link between the living, the ancestors, and the living. It represents the work of the Santis. A san so another paramount symbol for justice. Attention, a san represents royalty and legitimacy of the occupant. Most universities all over the world, they study about the golden stool. African bakosem only golden stool free. It ya magana dinya kese. It na occupant no o 24 say to tunya me kese. Otenase a akonfo okọ nanim omo wia. Ahonhom bra omo ase, omo ho ase wọ nanim. Yes, asofo bra omo ho ase wọ nanim. Omo otunuro bra omo ho ase. Wonya dum nanim dia o saranda.
Adubi anka dem.
Oni ho dia yobo kakra. Yeah, him akase ye won hwe etina ma Asantis natimi achieve abeye oyawa ma bimo because they can never go near ultimate yet because ikadwa no ni bi to be trick fast them say eh ti say ye Asante force ah oti ase ye eye sikadwa no ma golden stool no watimi achieve ne botaya na perfect wa achieve.
Okay, how
who ne nsam na okeka no say eh ohini time otumfo say tutu papa no man for so woni monyam o ma bobra o ma tutu kwan o ma ko school da bia ye bomudin sa officer.
The golden stool is the what? The soul and the symbol of the Ashantis. And then I meet a documentary be a BBC here me person me bo. But documentary ni patch say the whites omo fa golden stool no mo ko analysis no mo say even gold na eye golden stool no emfias asiso. And you know, kind of science. Eti Domahine, get your facts right. The hatred that Domahine have for Ashantis are abnormally stupidity that I can't what comprehend. Minim so tu va kwaje ni galo. Sa Ashanti bia kwaje ni galo sa dia yo. Mentiasie. Because we are supposed to protect our culture. For people to talk about this, but as I say no, black man Jimmy no patch say nia eye dia no cry say enye no kuro. Obroni say no cry BBC almost the whole story on it. Say enye no cry the golden stool was conjured from the skies. Because I'm quite analysis no, I'm say gold na eye no enfiasa asiso. Ye dia muno patch say eye ade yakobeldi. Then the man break down. Relax. Golden stool, Konfanochi or Kondoe, 17th century. 17 maybe. The first blacksmiths in the world, and Ghana, or in 1880. Saturday not going to know. It's a Saturday, me patch I hear from a Jan so. You see, sometimes who can some now, as if say there is no mental way. I don't want to use certain words on you, Papa. But you are making people insult you for no reason. Because as some now who cannot, I just said deliberate, you want to root down a certain people. I thought the Bruce and the Ashantis were the same. What is wrong with this man? And then all the enmity, Eba, Ashantis and Bunumu. What is this? We don't need this. And I wonder, Matthew said, your friend said, John Mahama, and you're fine. I don't know, you're right, John Mahama, what to make a pastor, Papa? What is this? Do we need this? Ghana problems are your way. Do we need for you to tell us what that's too? Because maybe the soul and the pride of people, that's what they believe in. I'm a Christian. I believe in Jesus Christ. I have not seen Jesus before. I believe that Jesus came, he lived, he died, and he rose. That's the soul of what? Christianity. That's the foundation of Christianity. You can't change my mind. I was not there when they crucified him. I was not there when he rose. But it's my belief and it's the soul on which I stand to have faith. Why can't you understand? Say, if the Ashantis of faith is in the golden stool and they say it's controlled, why are you denying it? Meanwhile, who dear who catch her say, Mumu Kromo dear, Mumu was a crime be or Hinen or Ba Nature Action, and you want us to believe that one. What are we talking about? Why do we run down our own? Yeah, Casamuno, yeah, dear, say, yeah, we run them down. Obio ni mi bien in say, me, Obio ye be papa be, I speak for, especially if you're a Ghanaian. Gamache, me bon bien, I'm sorry. Because what me as sang, what me as sang crime. What ma and can find the sense of identity. And that's what we need. Yeah, festival now, Domahiuba, now Bekanya Sasamno. Now, what is this, man? What are you talking about? Nasati or any penny back on. You're going to some more kind.
For Casano. Oya Bruni. Domahina Bruni.
Yeah, or see a dear yo.
Oya Bruni. O said to Fraquan Bobatla. Obatras in Tasso. Obatla. Nobody boy apart. Or a pa. Or Quatra, a yasan walk 1 pen. Your Quatra horse, never 1 pen.
1 pen.
A honor Quatra, and this one walker. I'm a born up before to an emia. Or Kawania Bruni. Eddie Capan. The two anemia. So ye judge. So quite Sakwawi. What say? Domain growing. Yawa Picojet. So do be a tumor. Emi ye. One for answer. Odim answer. Kwasia, actually Kwasia pardon. So Kwasia we are. What's a yes to Christo by Yasan? What's I do? Or Sakwatafo, or Sandy Frafo, or Sabodamfo, or Sabia, Jimmy dear.
When you
are home. No, what Jimmy say? Pa say, Jimmy Nibi, to set Bromahine. Ya call mammy. What about the idea if you do 9? Who to Musasi? No, what pa?
And your sense a bit.
Nema me sama na so ho. Nema me so wajimi. Nema me owo no so wajimi. Ne afa ko nyan ma no. Nema me sama na o ye ne sa. Bema wanyim se danim asege. We bema, wasa mu hu.
Ai.
O janu wasa, oni ge pe. Na me ya so wa santini. Na so wo ma, so afade ma na fi o be jimi ache papa no.
Na ne modu.
Wajimi. Wajimi de onu oni ho de.
Eno sana na ebe kan se watwo.
Thank you. Ochoye wataba. Jiminy, wait. Me huna po wo wiase. Ewie we an the whole world. My team be biala. Me ye siman. Ansa me si akọ Germany akọ university. Afri ho akọ na London. Am tipere we kwade. Me fi London kwa America. Me hunu Jiminy die wiase. Sado ma hene. Wo baka brofo. Asade ne bronko yi. Eni bru ni asem. Na broni be ni akono na bru ni ho.
No ho.
Broni be ni akono kran ni ho.
No ho.
Broni be ni akono kwapru ni ho.
No ho.
Broni be ni akono fatifo ni ho. Na sem ni ho. Adon no mako. Ye ko na bako se. Ye na bako ko se.
Na se ye.
Ye chesa makatiti. Amakuma de yem. Broni fita. Na wo jimifo. Jiminy ya chi Jiminy. Wo de masesa ko enye yi. Ase wo kan ye say sikadwa. Ofra no na no kakraka no. Ofa twitwi form. Kwase o ne mabape. Onyoku ni nipa. Nyoku satin.
Debida.
Ne nyoku kwa den krasan.
Debida.
Ne nyoku no.
Debida. Nana
so obi nka. Media den nyame ada roba. Manyamo. Woje hwe mama na ta. Woje pe mama na so me. Kwase we. Nano odi mkasa. Enipa wo edipa. O enimpan no nye nipa.
Nana me
I say papa we na mo se o e judge no. O se anye obi a odina ko prison mi a mo san ko hwene nsam because nsam no ka no nyansa nim enyam na mka papa na kan. Hwe mo me ka bibincho. Me, I'm a proud Ghanaian. Me a proud Ghanaian. And there be a me kase, me penny for more Ghana no, me wawa moso, uye bibi magana meka. Ni asante hini aya magana no, no other chief can ever say so with me a magana. The Ashantis. Trust me. Omo no Ghana, the sense of belonging. Omo Ghana, the sense of identity. And then I have for being and I'm proud. Mr. Gamache, and now a man can fall who say, yes, you'll be. And that is a man I will follow. Gamache, Nitu, it's yaw. It is time. I am a catcher and penny for say, we don't need divisions, we need unity. Unity for development. And then no because of me. What's about Kuntokano? Sana yo. Papa we can be channel because the way I all call and he keeps on saying and then my only videos about 3 or 4. I don't even want to play them. Because my mom said this man a pure hatred. It's not even about any history. He doesn't even know. Yes, bununi. Yes, bununi. Ye can't be big question mammy who yen one question. Ebiana hano. Because enya sa and can't dang and I'm ye Ghanani or 2 for a Ghanani don't mind who a Ghanani now and then why would I run my people down in the name of I'm trying to tell you what happened were you there? Let's be careful. I Xposed GHF subscribe share with the 2 man outside. I can be man.